Warning disclaimer. Trading involves risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is educational content, not financial advice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted another video, but yesterday I took this trade. If you see my order history, just closed this now. So just happy to share the trade. You see this one, right? It's refreshing. Just so there are currently zero open orders because just now it closed down. Right? See, this is the power of consistency, right? So you can see I shorted the market and just now it got so 30% was the wanted to share this with you guys. I was actually busy with some other stuff as well. But see this college man. So I entered here. I think. Wait, I should just yeah. Right. Just now I entered it here, but my actual strategy says to enter it here, but I actually missed the trade by that time since it went here and then I entered in this particular green candle, right? And it went up to this almost close to my stop level, right? Because my stop level was up a little bit higher than this one, previous high. So I got saved and Alhamdulillah, thankfully it got touched my take profit, right? So yeah, man. Peace out, man. That's about it. Wanted to show you guys my this new trade which I took earlier. I think yesterday. Right. So how many hours it went? I think I took this trade. Yesterday at 12. So basically in 12 hours it got closed. So yep, this was nice. Yep, 12:03 IST time, and then uh, just now it got closed at 12:11 p.m. and right now it's 12:15. If you see, right, and this is the Binance platform, by the way. So if you see here, right, so there you can see already that it's a platform, Binance, where I can use this, right, trade. Anyway, man, ciao, peace out, thanks.